Big storm coming in, boys. Big south side Marion High. This is going to be a good one. Get ready to rip. It's everywhere. Getting ready to roll in. It's getting ready to start storming, boys. Marion High. Big Monday night. It's getting ready to rip shortly. Well, I'm sure of it. Feels like it. Feels like it's going to rain right now. Yeah, buddy. It's windy and shit. The wind's picking up. Yep, it's getting ready to go. Big clouds getting ready to let loose, boys. Southside Marion. Pretty wild shit. It's about 6:30 or so at night, Monday night. It's all the way around. It's kind of hit hard when it starts. So, baby, careful. Thunderstorm coming, Marion High, Southside Marion.